So, just got to Costco and I decided since I'm here, I might as well do a grocery haul and show you guys what you can have on the keto diet and things to kind of stay away from. So let's go inside and check out and see what Costco has to offer. See you. What kind of fruit and vegetables you can have on keto. Generally we just do strawberries, or you can do blueberries or blackberries, but this, no, cherries high in sugar. Spike your blood sugar, you don't want that. But you can have celery. So celery is good because it's high in fiber and it'll help you get going, if you know what I mean. Because on keto sometimes you can get a little clogged up. So celery is a good thing, especially with some cream cheese. Another good thing on keto is Brussels sprouts, especially organic ones. You get a lot for your money at Costco, so I'll definitely recommend to get that. Also, you can make a really yummy roasted Brussels sprouts, so it tastes delicious. This right here is Roma heart lettuce. Roma lettuce is good for you as well. Costco has great deals, so definitely get those from Costco. A lot of your bulk veggies get from Costco because you get more for your buck. And this is delicious and good for you. You need to get some. Spinach, also good for you. Definitely get organic spinach, guys. Organic spinach, guys, because if you get organic spinach, most of the time spinach is sprayed with pesticides, so always get the organic spinach. Organic greens are better for you, okay? So I love baby bella mushrooms. They're lower in carbs, so it's really good for you, and they're filling. It's like bulking, so you can put this inside of a salad or salt ham with a little bit of onion powder and a little seasoning. Definitely good deal at Costco especially. So many people here today. So we like to get the big bags of broccoli from Costco because it's worth the buck. And broccoli is good for you too. Another thing that helps you with fiber, vitamin C, really good for you guys. So definitely this is another vegetable that you can have on keto. So guys, another thing you can have, of course, is salad. And this salad, you want to get everything really organic for the most part. I mean, if you can't afford it, it's fine. Eat regular salad if you like. But if you're going to eat a little bit of veggies in your keto diet, because they're not really required per se, get organic because it's healthier for you. And there's no junk on them, all right? This is organic spring mix, which I really, really love. So definitely get your hands on some of this. Alright guys, okay guys, so definitely these are some of the berries that you can eat. Blackberries, also you can have raspberries, strawberries, but they're really, really good, high in vitamin C, fiber for you as well, and it'll give you that sweet craving that you've been wanting from vegetable, from fruit. It'll give you that sweet craving that you want, and you don't want to overboard though, because if you don't spike your blood sugar if you eat too many, so like 1/4 cup or so. So really be good for you. Alright guys, so avocados are really good on the keto diet. They're high in fiber. They do have carbs in them, but it's okay because most of those carbs come from fiber. So definitely get some avocados in your diet. Good vitamins in avocados as well. And it helps you get stronger and build more muscle. Me some potatoes. Oh, because I love me some potatoes on. Oh wait, we don't eat potatoes on keto. My bad. Alright guys, no potatoes on keto. You already know that. Quit playing. Alright guys, so definitely on keto, you can't have bananas. Bananas are super sweet, as you know. They'll spike your blood sugar level and totally knock you out of ketosis and stall your weight loss if that's what you're going for. Also, over there, see those dates? Dates are super high in sugar, and people ask me, can you have dates on a keto diet? Well, no, the only date that you can have is with your mate. Alright? So just keep it real. Okay guys, so you definitely can have pretty much any meat there is, whether it's venison, whether it's chicken, beef, pork. You know, you want to get fatty cuts of meat. The beef is really good, but you gotta watch the macros in that, because if there's not enough fat in it, if it's a lean cut of beef, then you want to add some butter or eat something that's fatty with it. Especially when it comes down to poultry, you want to keep the skin on and eat more fatty pork cuts of that. So sorry, people behind me. But yeah, so yeah guys, so we're gonna meet you over there in another aisle, and I'll show you what else you can eat. Alright, so now we're in the cheese aisle, and my favorite cheese I'm getting today for sure is goat cheese. I love it. It's really tangy and delicious, guys, and it's super creamy. You can have any cheese you like on a keto diet. Only thing you can't have is processed cheese, like those cheese slices that are processed. No, that's off limits, guys. But any other cheese, especially hard cheeses, are really good for you as well. So I love me some goat cheese, so I'm gonna get this right now. This is something new at Costco I haven't seen before. Pork belly. You know, guys, I'm taking this home, right? So you can have pork belly, you can have some sausages, guys. Just make sure you look at the macros on the sausage, because some sausages have sugar already in it. So just be careful of that. If it has like 1 gram, it won't hurt you so much. But try to be careful with that. But definitely, this is going home with me. Okay, guys, so definitely a huge staple. A huge staple in our home is Philadelphia cream cheese. We need this because we make our fathead pizza doughs. We make all kinds of dough with it. Pancakes that's on our website you can make with it. So it's just super, super yummy. And of course, who doesn't like cream cheese? But you can also get it in tubs. Costco is really good at having it in tubs, and really super inexpensive because you get more for your money. You can have Kerrygold. Kerrygold is really good. I know there's controversy out there right now about the grass-fed part of it, but it's still delicious. I can tell the difference when I eat Kerrygold butter opposed to regular butter. But if you can't get the Kerrygold grass-fed, find any good quality butter that you can find in the store, right? You can also have any type of cold cut. Try to get deli cut, really good quality cold cuts. Like we like the roast beef. We'll eat turkey sometimes, but you want to definitely add a fat to that. Any type of deli beef or cold cut, they're generally lean, so you want to add a fat with it every time you eat it, so you can keep the protein and the fat ratio balanced in your body, so that it doesn't spike your blood sugar. Because eating it by itself can kind of do that a little bit, okay? But here's all the cold cuts that you can partake in. We got ham, prosciutto, we got turkey breast, salami, you can eat capicola. I love Italian dry. All these are delicious. These ones are pretty handy too. They have the cheese in the center, and it's just wrapped around some prosciutto, and another one. So this kind of handy if you're on the go. You get a good amount in there, see? So that's kind of cool, especially if you're having a dinner party and you want to keep it keto. This will be easy, and just set it out and everyone can enjoy themselves. Here's something else that you can have. These are super convenient, the Angus burgers. You get about 12 in here, and they're already cooked and already seasoned and really smoky and delicious. So definitely grab these, keep these in your freezer. That way when you're in a hurry, you can just pop one in, throw some cheese on it, add it with some lettuce and tomato. So good, guys. Trust me when I say get these. And also, oh, you stopped it?
Go for it.
And also, we have a chili for 2 recipe on our website that you use just 2 burgers with, right? So guys, a lot of people ask me, can they have chicken nuggets on the keto diet? And the answer is no, because they make it with wheat flour and binders in that, you know, and you can't eat flour, of course, regular flour on the keto diet. So you definitely can't have like these little dino nuggets. My kids used to eat them all the time. They are pretty good because they are made with real white meat, but at the same time they have flour on them, and in a keto diet, not so good. So all the Tysons, nothing against Tyson, but all the Tyson breaded and all those things, you can't eat that. So no chicken nuggets. But we do have a recipe on our website at faith4ketokitchen.com. Let's go. Alright guys, so here's another thing that's really great to get at Costco. You get 2 huge size peanut butter, organic on top of it, for like almost the price of one at the grocery store. Peanut butter is a good thing on keto. And let me show you. Over here, we have my favorite, which is almond butter. Of course, my husband loves the peanut butter, but almond butter is fantastic. You can make all kinds of fat bombs with the almond butter. You can do the same with the peanut butter, but I just like the taste of almond butter because it's not so harsh and it doesn't take over the entire dish like peanut butter does. So definitely get the almond butter at Costco. It's worth it. Alright guys, so we definitely use almond flour on the keto diet because it won't spike your blood sugar. It's just made purely of almonds, and the ones that you get at Costco, you get a lot for your buck. So definitely go to Costco and purchase your almond flour. I always stock up on these because of course I'm a food blogger, but also it's just cheaper. So we're going to get a couple of those today. Alright guys, so definitely nuts in moderation on a keto diet. And I like the pine nuts. They're really delicious, especially when you toast them and put them on top of a salad. They're a good ratio. They have a high fat to carbs, 17 grams of fat and 6 grams of carb. 3 of those are fiber, so basically 3 carbs in these. We also eat pecans because pecans are a better ratio as well, more fat in that. And you can have macadamia nuts, you can have walnuts, guys, all the nuts. I like peanuts sometimes, but I'd rather stay with the higher fat nuts. So look for those in your grocery store, okay? So this is a pretty good mayonnaise. It's avocado oil mayonnaise. I like it. It's good ratio macros in this. Let me read it. It's 11 grams of fat. We have 0 carbs, and it's just delicious, guys. And 100 calories. I like this one opposed to eating this stuff. Mayonnaise, nah, that's not good for you. Get the stuff with the good stuff in it. Good oils, and it won't cause inflammation, because if you eat the wrong oils and things that will cause inflammation, you'll feel sluggish and you won't get that good optimal energy that you need. Definitely get that. And over there across the way, we have some olives you can have, guys. Black olives are good for you. Just make sure you check out the macros in that, and always look to make sure there's no sugar in them. Even with the pickles, sometimes you'll think no sugar, so look at the label. Always check your label. Don't trust them. Okay. Alright guys, so this is one of my favorite things I like to have on the keto diet. It's easy and convenient. And we also can make, salmon patties with it. You can make, just eat it with mayonnaise, like the mayonnaise we just got. Pink salmon in a can is wild caught, skinless and boneless, so it's easy to prepare. You get a lot for your money, so definitely get that. But also over there, we have sardines. Sardines are really good for you. Definitely get the wild caught. Any fish that you get wild caught, because you don't want it when they're reproducing themselves within the pool of fish together. Kind of like the concept of chicken, where they have them all cooped up and just getting disease and stuff. So definitely get yourself some. Whoa. Okay. Don't drop it. Get yourself some sardines. Let's get out of here. Alright guys, all done shopping. It was kind of cool. They had a few new things there. It wasn't keto friendly, but I like to see when stores continually change their products but keep the basic products there that I always can come back to at least. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm going to do a few more hauls later on down the line, but I just wanted to share with you a few things that I got at Costco and that I love. Talk to you later guys. Peace out.